Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a look at the new collection from Elf Beads. It is called the Late Summer Breeze Collection. Beautiful name, and there's some really magical, really beautiful pieces I have to share with you guys today. So I'm going to be zooming in nice and close so you guys can see all the details, all the sparkles, all the colors. I'm so excited. It's actually going to be my first time seeing this collection too and like looking up close with it. So I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. And let's get started with today's video.
Here I am about to unbox the Late Summer Breeze collection from Elf Beads. It came with some beautiful ribbon, some pink tissue, and a lovely little note with some floral details on it. Definitely I love the hot pink color. It's so pretty. So here I am unboxing the items, and here we have the beautiful Elf Beads satin bags. They're so pretty. There are 11 new glass beads in the Late Summer Breeze collection. Here's a little preview of the different ones you're going to be seeing me unbox. They are so magical and so stunning, and all of them are packed with detail. In the first bag, here are the 3 glass beads I pulled out. They're so beautiful, and they definitely make me think of that transitional period of the end of summer heading into fall, especially the middle one. Like, it definitely gives me like a summer autumn kind of feel, that the transition. These are so beautiful. So the first one I'm going to share with you is called Jungle Moment. Look at the little floral accents. It almost looks like the flowers are like floating on water, or like the sky almost. So much detail in here. I love the little green flowers. Galaxy Garden World Fractal is definitely one of my top favorites from this collection. It is just so beautiful. I love the colors. I love the dimension to it, the details, and look at how it catches the light, all that sparkle. There's even some little bubble detail, bubble accents to it, and I love the round shape. The last one in this bag was the Grass Fantasy Flower Field. You have some beautiful dotted details, and then at the core you have that like midnight blue with the sparkle, so it almost makes me think of like a sky, like a summer sky, but also could be the water and little flowers floating on it. So pretty, and I love the green. It's just beautiful. Moving along into our next Elf Beads bag, we have some more glass beads to share with you, and I love all of these so much. There's so much dimension to them, so much detail, and again, it just looks like these flowers are just like floating in the galaxy or in the water. Like, just the combination of colors are so beautiful. They're very intricate. The first one I'm going to share with you is called Sun Kisses Monet. I love the pop of red. I also think this would be beautiful to wear for Remembrance Day coming up in November. It's so pretty. We also have another favorite of mine, which is called Old Lavender Monet. Just look at the textures of these flower petals, the details, the sparkle. So beautiful. I just wanted to focus on this one just a little extra longer for you guys, just because look at all the dimension. We also have my other top favorite, which is called Heritage Monet Donut. And you guys, this is just, oh my gosh, look at this. The sparkle, like it has this galaxy vibe to me to it. Like the blues, the light lavender purples, little bits of orange and yellow. The core, like on the side detail, like this is spectacular. Like top favorite, like 100%. It's beautiful. We also have Violet Dream Monet, which is beautiful. It's kind of a deeper purple. You got, again, that midnight kind of navy blue, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So all of these in this bag, I'm just like, I just love them all. Like, it's beautiful to unbox. So we have our next bag, so let's open it up. Here we have 4 more glass beads, and each of them have a floral inspirational note to them. Beautiful textures and details, some dotted details as well. The first one I'm going to share with you is called Sunset Magic Flower Field. Beautiful pops of red. Then we have the Cosmic Blue Monet. I love the blue petals on the water or the sky again. Like, I love that blue core. It's so pretty. We also have the Flower Kiss Flower Field, and this one would match with the other one that you had just shown earlier beautifully, because look at that core again. You have the greens, the blues, the purples, that glitter, sparkle. The dotted details on the top of it are so pretty, and just I love the dimension to this. It is beautiful, and it's definitely one of my favorites too. We also have sea oil flower pools, and this is stunning as well. Like, it just like, it was the detail of this, like the painted kind of notes of it, the different dimensions of blue. Love these so much, so beautiful. Now we're gonna open up to the next bag, and these are the silver beads in this collection. So these are all sterling silver beads. And here's a little preview of what you're gonna be seeing next. So there's so many cute ones, so much detail. So the first two I wanna share with you are called Bed of Roses and Windmill. So Bed of Roses is on the left, Windmill is on the right. These have amazing texture and detail and would make beautiful centerpiece beads. So pretty. Look at the swirls and details on Windmill. And then on Bed of Roses, I love like the side detail of it and how it will fit on your bracelet. It's so, so cool. I will be sharing how I styled these beads a little later in this video. And here's a quick little look at the sterling silver beads in movement. The next bead we have is called Song of the Butterfly, and this bead is just so poetic to me. I love that it has two butterflies on either side where the cores are, and the butterfly is in movement and dancing to these music notes and swirls, and it is just beautiful. I love the butterfly wings on both of them. So pretty. Here's a little look of it in movement. This is so inspirational to me, and this bead actually really makes me think of my dad. He's a pianist, and I can just picture him playing this music and just these butterflies kind of dancing around. It reminds me of when I was little, dancing around. So this bead is very special to me, and I think it is so beautiful. It'll make a lovely centerpiece onto your bracelet. But I also think if I had two of these, they would like really be a lovely like kind of centering bead to another like glass bead or another silver bead. Now here we have Mila the caterpillar, and this bead is amazing. Now it's probably hard to tell at first, but it is huge. It is so big. So here I have like some beads to kind of compare it to. And it's so big, it has this lovely weight to it. I think it would be beautiful worn on a necklace, but I'll also share with you later how I styled it on a bracelet. Here's some of the side details to it. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit of the inspiration behind this bead. Take a whimsical ride with Mila the caterpillar. A special ride for our wonderful Elf Beads family to enjoy. Your senses will delight in the dazzling colors around you, and your imagination will be held captive by the talent of our gifted artisans. All aboard. And here's a little last look at Mila the caterpillar in movement, how it catches the light. Now we're gonna head into some bracelets. So here's a quick peek of some bracelet designs I'm actually gonna be sharing later, incorporating beads from this new collection. But the first bracelet I'm gonna share with you is the Love Bangle. And I picked out the size extra, extra small, and it comes with the two love stoppers that we have here. So I added those on here. And you can see all the texture and detail. I love this bracelet so much. I love the heart motif going around like that heart-shaped pattern. Beautiful. It also has a lovely weight to it. And it's not like some bangles that I try that are more of an open bangle. They're a lot more flexible. This one, I really love it because it's very sturdy, and the silicone stoppers on it, they really do stay in place, which is wonderful. Now I'm going to share with you how I styled this bangle with some of the glass beads. So here you can see I went with a very end of summer, early autumn like feel to this. I love these colors. I love the pops of reds, the yellows, the greens. And the bangle fits so beautifully. So my wrist measurement, in case you don't know, it's a 14.5 centimeter. And I picked the extra, extra small bangle, and it fit perfectly. Really loved the like fit of it. And again, look at these sparkles and how everything just pops out. Elf Beads, your glass is so beautiful and so magic. I just can't get over the attention to detail and just all the dimension to these. So pretty. Here's a look at me putting the bangle on. Very easy to put on. A little bit of flexibility, so I just very gently squeeze just slightly on it to just accommodate the fit. And here you can see the amount kind of room that's left on the bangle too on my wrist. Next, I have two other bracelets to share with you. So the first one I'm going to share is called Legend Flower. This is a chain style bracelet, and oh my goodness, the clasp. The clasp is so gorgeous. Look at the detail to this, the textures. It's very much like a floral detail. You open the clasp on the side of it, and the closure, it's very sturdy. It's very strong. I wouldn't be worried about this opening at all. And when I was wearing it, I will show you my design later with it. It really held in place, so I was really happy to see that. The chain detail is very strong. You can also find the Elf Beads stamps here. If you can kind of see it in the camera, it's on the side there. Here's a close-up look at the chain. Again, very sturdy and strong and beautiful, really catches the light and is very comfortable to wear on the wrist as well. Now it's time to design with the bracelet. So I decided to use all my favorite glass beads from the collection on here. I love the purples, the pinks, the little bit hints of blue, I should say, on here. And then I did decide to have a silver bead as the center. And I actually thought, like, the clasp and the bead, they complement each other so well, so beautiful. So here's a look at me putting the bracelet on. Again, the clasp is amazing. It's also fairly easy to put this on. The only thing is I should probably add a stopper to this bracelet just to keep the beads from falling off when I open it. So that's an FYI for me to do later. And here's a look at the bracelet on my wrist, so you can just kind of see for size-wise how it fits for me. And oh, the glass is so pretty. Now the last bracelet I have to share with you is called Scale. And the texture to this is amazing. I love the rounded clasp detail. Again, the clasp is very sturdy, very strong. I feel confident wearing this because it stays closed. The chain detail is beautiful and very durable too, very strong, especially when you're putting on, heavier silver beads on here in the glass. You do want something that's going to well support the weight of these beads. So here I am doing my design, and I decided to use Mila the caterpillar because I couldn't wait to see what she would look like on my wrist. And wow, what a statement bead. So here's a little look at the bracelet on. I also added some blue beads with her, but I also think I should probably add some more vibrant colors because I just want to think of a caterpillar, I think, them turning into a butterfly. So I definitely want to add, a variety of different colors to a future design theme with this.
I also wanted to share with you guys my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this really lovely green dress from Vero Moda. It's beautiful. It's a wrap dress A-line, so it wraps up on the side here. And I just find it is such a flattering, comfortable dress. So it's a jersey dress, which just kind of has that nice stretch to it and just feels so comfortable on. I also really love it because it's a nice transitional piece from the from the summer to the autumn season, because I can kind of layer with it, and the color is just, it's so great for summer, but it's so great for autumn too. And I really love the V-neck. And then I actually paired my Owen Australia fairy necklace with some elf beads here, which you might see. And then I also have an elf beads bangle design right over here on my wrist, and a couple Pandora rings, and then my butterfly earrings. So that's a little quick look at my outfit of the day, or I should say outfit of the video. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. A heartfelt thank you to Elf Beads for sending me these gorgeous new pieces to review and style with. Thank you so much, Elf Beads, and also a big thank you to this community, as I would never get these opportunities without each and every one of you, so thank you so much as well. I would love to know if you had any favorite pieces from this collection, or any pieces you'd like to see me style with more. Please let me know down below in the description bar of this video. I hope you guys are all doing well and enjoying the weekend. I believe I'm going to be posting this video on a Sunday, so if it's still Sunday, I hope you're having a great one. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I wish you guys a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys.